This year will be the hottest summer ever. People going out, please prepare for high temperature sun protection.
God, please, no!
For many years in a row, the temperature has been rising year by year, and even those who collect rent dare not do so. Since entering summer, our activities have been limited to air-conditioned indoor spaces. Climate change is a problem that all humanity is facing. Some people say it's the responsibility of plastic. Actually, this is not correct. But plastics contribute to climate change to a certain extent, since the large-scale production of plastic by humans. Approximately 8.3 billion tons of plastic have been produced, of which 6.3 billion tons have been turned into waste. Plastic is not easily decomposed, and decomposition in incineration or landfills can produce methane, exacerbating the greenhouse effect. Refuse plastic, use environmentally friendly materials and tableware, cherish our common home.